Creating a standout resume can be a daunting task, but with the help of Microsoft Word and AI, it can become effortless. With the Microsoft Word's wide range of professionally designed resume templates, you can easily find the perfect layout that suits you or suits your style and industry. When you open your Word document, you go to the below section. You can see all this type of letters and templates. Go to resumes and cover letters. This is a list of all templates and cover letters available on Word document. At the same time, there's another way in case if you don't want to use the local Word, Microsoft Word, you can go to the website and select the template you want. From there, you can even download it to work locally, or you can work directly on the website based on your requirement or what is the situation you have. Let's say we work in the local desk, then you select one of these template of CVs. You can see there's different type of industries and each one design. Let's go with this first one, use it as a sample. As you can see here, this is the resume. What you need to do here is just to fill this information one by one. First thing, of course, you need to change this photo. This is not me or you. So simply you can just select picture format, can go here and from your device or if you're online. This photo, I put it like some old banker. Let's build the CV for a banking job. You can just do a crop here in case if you want to do fill like this. You can play with it, play with the size like this. Now, why you can't use the AI to help you build your resume? Now, you have see the profile. Now, profile, we want to write something professionally reflecting your experience and what you are applying. So we're going to use the AI, 3 type of conversations you have created, balanced and precise. So here what I ask the AI to help me summarize what I do and give them the list of my activities and at the branch. So let's see the results. As you can see, this is the reply getting from the AI and give me what exactly I should include in my summary. This is the points. Give me some examples of resume summary based on my message. So you can include this in your profile. Now you go to your profile and paste the information you need from there. Of course, you make sure that this information is accurate. AI will give you, of course, based on the data you provided, but make sure the data is amended or changes based on your requirement. As you can see here, after you paste, so all the details here like experience, 5 years, or 15% of revenue, or the bank you're working for, all these details are provided by AI, but I didn't give it. But make sure that information is accurate based on your experience, not the AI. You continue with doing the information here, video information of your contact number, website, and email. So I suggest in website you keep your LinkedIn account profile here. That will help you increase the chances of a contact. You can add your hobbies here. Here you continue with your name, your job title, education. Now we'll go to the work experience, which is the most important part here. And we'll take the AI help to write a good work experience. So on this section, we'll write the bank, ABC Bank. I don't know if that exists or not. Let's say I was a sales manager. Achievement I have done on this position on this bank. So always write something you have contributed to do on that. So don't give something like I had to do this or assisted to do that task and all that. Try to do things what is you have done and the target you have achieved. So here I wrote some points that I did in my job as a sales manager, just like examples. Let's take this to the AI and see how can help us. So we'll take a copy of this. We'll ask the AI how to improve these bullet points in my resume. We'll go here the results of the improvement to my bullet points. As you can see, innovative product manager with 4 years of experience in the back-end industry, increase the sales revenue from 10%. All this been rewritten in a way it should be better. Of course, you have to see the details. So this AI help you to give you better details on presentation of your resume. So we'll paste and copy it and keep it here. We'll say if you can see the format is changed, you can just go and copy text only. We'll keep the same format. So after you finish all the skills, you finish all the details here, you can simply import it as PDF. What you just need to go to export, create PDF, and this way now as you can see this is now as PDF format. Just make sure when you use an AI you check what is generated for you. Maybe the information is not suited for you, or maybe some information you don't have or you don't want to include in your CV. So always thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.